This is a 2019 Ford F250. Customer purchased an Android radio. We're going to change out the radio with touchscreen, Carplay, Android Auto, Netflix, and YouTube. The first step is this center channel speaker grill. You just pop it out. Use the panel popper to pry it out. And it should be a 2 7mm screws here on the front side of it. Right here, there are 2 7mm. Take it out. Keep on those fixes. So you push 2 7mm up, and this panel comes out. So you can get panel up, this part here, 2 7mm remove. Just try it one side out. So it's one side, just connect with these 2 screws right here, those are also 7mm. So after that, we're going to just simply pry this middle section out. This, and put this screw in it. Okay, no screws, just the 2 top ones. Now, a lot of these Android radios, you have to use the factory tuner. Only thing you are changing out is the front panel of it, but the rest of it you still are using factory audio system, back cam, and everything. So we also have to take this one out because this plug has to be plugged into the new monitor, and I know this has to come out because this is going to hit the back of the Android radio. So just simply detach all the harnesses. Okay, let's remove this because we're not using this. Those are also 7mm. All these screws are 7mm. There's 4 of them holding onto the factory monitor. And remove this and detach this one here. There's a little locking pins in the middle. Right there you push and pull away. Now you detach the plug. Alright, this radio came with 2 CAN bus harnesses. So whichever one you need, obviously there are 2 different plugs. So whichever one fits, that's the one you're going to have to use. So we got to get to the back of the radio because the power plug gets connected at the behind the radio, I believe. And those are 7mm as well. Pull that entire module out. This is actually the radio tuner. Push the middle pin to release. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Why? In this particular model, we don't use the tuner pack. That comes out completely. And this harness fits, so we got these plugged in. Even though this one is 19, the harness says up to 18, but the one for the 19 does not fit, so we're going to try this one. So let's temporarily put this back on to the factory Android radio and see if it comes on. We're going to have to transfer the heater control onto this new radio, but for now, we're just going to try out the radio function and see if it works. These 2 white plugs is very important. There's a CAN bus. Without that, none of the functions are going to work properly as far as the factory settings and backup cam and stuff. So be sure to connect that CAN bus wire. Okay. Wait, let's see if the radio comes on. The radio came on. Let's see where's the radio. Radio. We need an antenna, so we're not going to worry about that. We got to put the heater controller on. What about the backup cam? Backup cam said no video, right? Okay, let's figure that out. Let's try one more time. Still no video. Alright, we were having some difficulty with backup cam. We made it work. What we had to do is disconnect this factory monitor. Put it on here. It didn't quite fit right, but I forced it in and it goes in. And there are 2 cam wires. Be sure to connect the one that's connected to this little 8, I think that's 10-pin plug. The other one, we found this plug also fits on the back of this. There's a black module here. It fits in here but didn't give us a reverse cam. This one, even though it wasn't fitting in right correctly, but I forced that in, it fits, and that gave us the backup cam. The control on the wheel works. We're just going to transfer the heater control from the original radio to down here. There's a whole bunch of Torx screws. That's number 10. The reason we are disconnecting the screws because we're going to have to take the heater control board out. To do that, you're going to remove all the silver screws on the back of the radio panel. More screws in here? Yeah, there are 2 more screws inside. we're gonna have to take this out, this out. We don't need this one, so we're gonna get rid of these two here. Just lift up the white plug and detach these two, but we do need to transfer these two circuit boards. This is where the main heater control panel goes in, and this is obviously the knobs. Okay, so same thing, we're gonna detach this back panel, and those are Phillips screws. 8 of them, we're gonna detach that, or 6 of them. Okay, let's transfer this. Alright, I got this. Wait, we gotta put these in. These buttons in there. Wait, let's bring that over, put it in the same way. These has to be lined up exactly the same way, so you have to just take one knob at a time and transfer over to the new one. Carefully. Transfer. Okay, take the other one out. Careful back here. It's a little light, so we're gonna cut the edge off like that. On one, but there's a little anything here. That's center. Problems are things, so we'll get a bit of plastic. Use a 5 or 6 See what? You know, video. We did use the right plastic bezel for the heater control. Of course, that fits perfect. So we're gonna put it on and let's see if it works. So we're gonna remove these orange locking tabs off from the original one, put it to the new one. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove these dummy panels, and we need to transfer these two buttons over to new radio. It just simply pops out like that. And you can put new ones, new bezel with the switch on. Push the locking tabs from the side and push out. It didn't have a lunch yet, so it's not coming out easy. Right?
Yes. We don't need yes.
Basically, you are pushing these two locking tabs inward to pull out. Good. So we put everything back. I'm just gonna try to see if everything works. The heater control work?
¿Le conectaste la cámara? Sí. Yes.
For these switches, do not put it onto the plate yet, because once you put it in, it's difficult to put the plugs on. So you gotta take these out, put the wire through the hole, plug it into the switch, then stick it back in. To adjust the heater control center buttons, they were sticking.
Hay que probar una.
There are two cam wires.
Ponle
You
primero
should
ese.
connect the right one.
Works now. No. You please shut
¿Cuál es el pin?
He's doing this, look. Rather than. Okay.
Red tube is beautiful.
Yes. Sometimes.
Oh my god.
No work.
Yeah, it does.
No work. What's the code for that?
There's no code.
He's asking.
Zeros.
Yes, 4 euros.
Okay, it's connecting. We don't need that.